What is going on, Pepe Army? We are here to talk price action with Pepe today and to see what exactly is going on. We got a Gemini listing, and guys, there are not very many tokens that are listed on Gemini. Now, we're going to look at the price action. You're not going to love the price action. You're going to say, where is it, right? But I got to preface this a little bit and say that the CPI coming out very shortly, we're going to know, by the time you see this, you'll know CPI, and we should probably be pumping because I think it's going to be okay. So I think that we'll probably get a pump out of Pepe by the time you're seeing this, and we'll have some price action to the positive. But as of right now, it hasn't moved a whole lot. And let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see right here, we're trading at 19.15, actually down about 10%. Now, if you come over here and you look at the futures trading, then you'll see up until just a few moments ago, it was actually up about 8%. This big blue candle, which is a red candle for those of you at home are looking at. So we have this falling and descending wedge that, generally speaking, breaks out to the upside. And then we got the announcement. The announcement was Gemini. And then we sparked up to this resistance point right around 2100. And then from there, it's been downhill since. Now, Gemini is American market. So maybe, just maybe, the American market is what's going to pump and send this today, because we are waiting for CPI data. We are looking for some positivity in the markets. Haven't seen it yet. Waiting for the CPI data might do something positive. But again, you know, we're trending. We're outside of the channel, though. That is an important thing. We've moved outside of this descending wedge. The question is, and it looks like you can make an argument that we're using it as support at this point, but we are trending out this way. Now, for those of you who've been talking to me about this, I told you at 2,400, that's where you go short. At 1,500, that's where you go long, because this little channel here seems to be the one that's starting to play out. Now, if it's trending right here in 2050, the one thing that you have to recognize is that this market is not dipping like people are. Look, these people are desperate. They are dying, and I mean dying to see it. And guys, you're seeing it right now. The CPI data just came out. It looks to me, I don't know if it's positive or not. People might be jumping the gun at this point. It's 7:30 Central Standard Time, which means that CPI data should be coming out, and we're seeing a big pump in the market. So that may be what we're seeing right now, what we're witnessing. People saying, you know what, the rally's on, the party's on. LFG, if I may. We're at 9 billion over. So yes, we might be seeing the start of a big rally. Now, if that plays out, remember, you do have your resistance points. Guys, I want you to accumulate as much Pepe as possible to make as much money as possible. Let me show you the announcement here real quick. Good morning, friends. When Pepe today. Pepe is now available for deposits on Gemini via our web interface, mobile deposits and trading to follow shortly. Read more about Pepe on our blog. Happy depositing for the Pepe Army. So it is on. You are looking right now to see that maybe a rally has started. And I'm checking over here on Uniswap. I'm checking over here. I'm not sure we're seeing a ton of capital inflow, but what you are seeing, or you're seeing big bots come back in. So we're starting to see big movement and big interest. So if this plays out to its best advantage, then guys, we might be looking, and we might just be seeing a big time rally. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the comment, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Guys, accumulate as much Pepe as possible, because we have resistance right now. There is a bearish push down on Pepe at this moment, because people are taking profit. They're changing their lives every single day because of Pepe. Now, if you want to do the same, then you got to accumulate as much as you possibly can, because that's how you're going to get to that next level, because Pepe is not done, my friends. It is not done. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, and the proof's in the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was drunk? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the keg the bartender tap. On another level like I'm fuck around with